I'm Vince the Invention Guy. Today I'm talking about, do you need a prototype? The answer to that question is really a budget answer more than anything else. If you can make prototypes or samples that look quite good and you can do it cost effectively, then I'm a huge fan. The concern I have is that some products, prototyping might be very, very costly. And in that case, I would rather default to, say, CGI or computer renderings of the product, because those methods tend to be quite a bit less costly and certainly get the idea across. So I would rather have a great CGI image of a product instead of a rough prototype that we're sending out to these companies, assuming that you're looking to license the idea. So again, if you can make nice prototypes inexpensively, great. If not, go to CGI and use computer renderings to present your idea. Now, I brought along this product as an example. This is a balloon tying device. You put the balloon around here and pull it through. And this is one of the original prototypes. It was made out of coat hangers, and I really think it's quite good. The inventor actually made a slightly better prototype out of metal, and it looked very nice. We used that to present the idea to a major balloon manufacturing company, and they now produce the product and include it with their balloons, and they also sell it separately. Now they don't make it out of coat hangers anymore, they make it out of plastic, but that's a good example where the prototyping cost was very, very low, and it presented quite well to these companies. But if you don't have that luxury, default to CGI, do it on computer. All of this CGI stuff looks so good these days, and it can tend to be fairly inexpensive. I'm Vince the Invention Guy. Find me on my website at theinventionguy.com. If you enjoy this channel, subscribe to it or like it, and thank you for listening.